Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming power compatibility and physical readiness. Check the fan label for 5V or 9V and whether it needs USB power delivery. This prevents underpowering or damage. Next, pick a short, intact USB-C cable rated for charging and data to reduce voltage drop. Plug the fan into the host port or adapter firmly, then place the fan on a stable surface so airflow isn't blocked. Once done, switch the fan to its lowest speed to verify operation before increasing RPM. Now you move into configuring controls and optimizing airflow. If the fan has physical buttons, press and hold to enter speed or mode settings. If it pairs with an app, open it and follow the LED prompts to complete pairing. Once connected, increase speed in small steps so you can assess noise versus airflow trade-offs. Test oscillation and tilt to find sweep range that covers the target area. If the fan uses an internal battery, enable energy saving or auto-off schedules to extend runtime. Finish by tidying cables, confirming stability, and running the fan for brief test. Route the cable away from high-heat devices and sharp edges to prevent wear. Make sure the fan sits level to avoid vibration. Run it for 10 to 15 minutes at a mid-setting to listen for unusual noises and ensure consistent speed. If the fan fails to start or has intermittent power, swap in a known good USB-C cable, test another port or adapter, and perform the factory reset procedure. This fixes most connectivity and power issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.